Cooking. Oy, 5 million in the house. Cooking with Sophia. Done. Cooking with Sophia. Done watching. Punta tayo kay Sulu. Sulu. Punta po tayo kay Sulu. Uy. May upcoming siya, oh. Ay, tapos na ako pala magtamsak. Mega love shout out. I know the job is Kuya Puji. Bakit wala si Kuya Pujing kuwan? Bakit wala siyang moderator? Anong nangyari? At nakahubad ka, Kuya Puji. Yan, oh. Sulu. Mega love shout out. Thank you sa inyong lahat. Thank you everyone. The other job is closed, but it's part-time. It's on the employer meals.
Really?
Yep.
Lauren was working for a lady here.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh wow, where?
I don't know, she said somewhere around here.
Here in our neighborhood? Oh, good. Good for her. Hey Brian, mega love shout out. One for you, Brian. There you go. Thank you. Mega love shout out. That is from 6 to 10.
In the morning?
No. Evening.
Night?
Yeah, I think 2 days. Wednesday and Thursday. Because Friday I'm not able to work there. Because I'm work to
The man?
Yeah. There you go. Sulu. 6
But you're only
million.
gonna work there until she comes back, right?
Yeah. That's only part-time. Huh?
How long is she staying with you?
I have no idea how long she's gonna. Maybe a month. Thank you everyone. Thank you everyone. May and Sulu. Brian, they have new video. New video. It's really hot, Mama Mia.
100 today.
100 degrees, but in my car is 109. It looks like we are at the beach. 6 million in the house. Done cooking with Sophia. Done. Thank you, Sis Norit. Sis Norit. I wonder if it's gonna rain today. Thank you everyone.
Tomorrow, I think.
Tomorrow? Oh, Mama Mia. Let's see, what is the weather here? Ay. Is the weather po in my area. Oh. Till 105. Agoy, ay. But here is a 97 tomorrow. Po, 1 week. Aroy. Ay. It's really hot po. Really hot. Thank you,